Okay guys, so as you can see right here, this guy has made over 650 sales. This person has made 326 sales. This person has made 253 sales. As you scroll down, you see more and more people are making a killing with this gig, and that is what I'm about to share in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to validate email list. It is a sought after skill on Fiverr and Upwork, and the competition is quite low. As you can see right here, I searched email scraping and I got just 1,900 search results. If I also go and search for email validation, and I hit enter, what you can see is that this result is just 840 results. It means that the competition for this job is super low, and if you start this right now, there's a very high chance that you can start making the same amount that these people are making. And the skill is not hard. For the past 2 days, I've been posting videos about email marketing, email scraping. I even made a playlist about it. If you follow that playlist, you get all the skills it takes to be able to post this kind of gig and start making this kind of money. Today's video is going to be focusing on email validation. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can validate unlimited emails for free. How you can clean up unlimited emails for free. You know, when people go to Google or LinkedIn and they scrape a bunch of emails, but some of them are fake and some of them are not. This has a way of damaging your email provider, and a lot of people don't know this, or they just go and start sending cold email outreach to those emails without cleaning it up. What's going to happen is that it's going to give you a bad reputation, and in the long run, all your emails will end up in the spam box of your target audience, and you don't want that. That is why these people right here are taking this skill very seriously, and they take their time to look for people like this that are into this, and they pay them good money for this. Some people charge up to $30 for this skill. As you can see, these people are charging $10, $15. Some people charge up to $30. Let me see if I can see somebody that is charging a high amount for this skill. This person charges $50 for this, and this person has made 582 sales. So if I go to my calculator and I do 582 times $50, you're going to see that this person has made $29,000. If you multiply this by 1,500 in Naira, you're going to see that this person has made over 43 million Naira doing just this simple thing that I'm about to share with you in this video. So I'm going to start with the steps. So how do you validate emails? First of all, you need to have an email list. I've made a lot of videos about scraping the internet for email lists, but for the purpose of making it clear for newbies, I'm still going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to be a little bit fast. If you want a more detailed video, check the playlist. You're going to see I made a lot of videos about that explains that really well. So the first thing you want to do is to scrape your email list. To do that is quite simple. All you have to do is go to google.com. So I'm going to go to google.com, and hit enter. Then once it takes you to the Google page, what you want to do is to type in this first one here. So let's say you want to scrape emails from LinkedIn, or you want to scrape emails from Facebook. The first thing you want to do is to type the target site. So to do that, just type site, something like this. They do facebook.com, right? This tells Google that you want your search results to be just from facebook.com. Then you give a space, then you type and, then you give a space, then you put in this, give another space, you type and, give a space, then you put in this again, give another space, then you type and, give a space, then put in this again. So for the first place where you're going to put in your target keywords, so I'm going to be targeting let's see, affiliate marketers, because affiliate marketers make use of email marketing software. So if I want to promote a new email marketing software to affiliate marketers, then I'll have to target them. So the next thing you want to do is the location. So where are these people located? So I'm going to say Nigeria. You can target anywhere in the world. Then my email provider, do I want people using Gmail or Yahoo? I'm going to do at gmail.com. There are many ways to go about this, but I'm going to just use this one for now. Hit on Google search and it's going to pull up some results. As you can see right here, it's showing Facebook. If I used LinkedIn, it's going to be showing LinkedIn. So the next thing you want to do is to go to the next step, which is to clean up your email. So how do you do that? To clean up your email, you go to investorblack.com/cleanme. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to go to investorblack.com/cleanme. /cleanme. Clean email rather. Then I'm also going to go to investorblack.com/extract me. So I did this in my previous video. So the clean me will be used to clean the email. The extract me will be used to extract the email from this search result. So what you want to do next is to go to this place right here. Press Ctrl A to copy all the results. Press Ctrl C. Then go to the email extractor page and paste your copied results so that you can get the extracted emails. Ctrl V to paste. Once you paste it, almost immediately you're going to see that it's going to automatically pull out some emails here. As you can see, click on copy. The next thing you want to do is that you want to clean up the email. To clean it up, go to the other page. I'm going to leave the links to these pages in the description of this video, by the way. So you're going to be presented with this box right here. All you have to do is paste the emails you just got from Facebook, from your search, and click submit. It's going to remove any duplicates. As you can see, 36 original, 36 remaining. It means there are no duplicates. But what you can notice here is that some of these have dots at the end, and we don't want that. So you're going to open your notepad. Then in your notepad, you're going to, let me cancel this from my previous video. You're going to copy everything here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Go to your notepad and paste it, Ctrl V. Then press Ctrl H to pull up this box here. In the first box, put in .com dot. In the second box, put in .com and click replace all. And it's going to remove all the dots from the email. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Now you've cleaned up your email. You removed duplicate. That takes us to the next step, which is to validate your email. Now we have our emails cleaned up and ready to go. As you can see, everything is good looking here. So to validate your email, you make use of some email validating websites. So there are a lot of them. If you go to Google and you search for email validation, free, so you see a bunch of email validation services. Most of them are paid, but they offer some free trials. Like this email hunter, you can validate some for free. This one right here, you can validate some for free. But I'm not going to do this. I only advise you to do this when you've started getting jobs and you have even more emails from different email providers. Then you can go ahead and pay for the service and still make reasonable profit. But if you're a newbie and you don't have capital, you don't have any money, you're starting from scratch, just stick to what I'm about to share with you. This is a method I use personally when I build my email list. So go to your Google Drive, go to drive.google.com, look for any file in your Google Drive, then locate this three dotted menu here. As you can see, click on the three dotted menu, then go to this button that says share. Then go to this button that says share again, click on it. Then it's going to bring up a box where you're going to put in the emails of the people you want to share to, right? So I'm going to go to my notepad and copy everything, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then I'm going to come here and paste it, Ctrl V. Now what's going to happen is that Google will start checking these emails to see if they are legit or not. So now all you have to do is manually scroll slowly scroll. As you can see, some of them are showing images that tells you that the emails are verified, they are valid. So you scroll, so there is no invalid email, okay? But let me show you, just for the purpose of you understanding what I mean. So let me say if I put yam seller, I don't know, I'm just thinking of something, 1223 something like that at gmail.com. Okay, I'm trying to just think of something random that nobody would have used for their email, just to show you that this works. So if I go back and I click on paste again, let's see if it's going to recognize our yam seller. As you can see right here, if I hover over this yam seller, you see that no Google account found. Mind you, this works with just Gmail. As you can see, most of them are Gmail. For now, I'm also going to do my research on Yahoo. Okay, it also works on Yahoo. Wow, crazy. Okay, it works on Gmail and Yahoo Mail. I don't know about other providers. So all you have to do is do this and manually remove the bad email. I think I saw one. So let's scroll together. Remove this one. It's a bad email. Scroll slowly and observe. So once you notice that all your emails are good, then just scroll to the bottom, then highlight everything and hit Ctrl C. Then go back to your email extractor and paste your newly collected emails. The reason why I'm pasting it here is because of it has spaces in between. We want to get rid of those spaces, so that's why we got it here. Ctrl C. Then we have our brand new emails, cleaned up emails. So all these emails are are valid emails, validated emails, right? So we move on to the next step, which has to do with you converting your emails to CSV. To do that, all you have to do is save this as a text document. So I'm going to save this as, I'm going to do iBlack test list. So iBlack test list. I'm going to save this on my desktop. Click on save. Then it has saved it. As you can see, the name has changed to iBlack test list. So what you want to do is go to Google and search for text to CSV converter. Okay, as you can see, I did a search, a bunch of them, a lot of websites that will allow you to easily convert TXT files to CSV. So just pick any one, it doesn't really matter, just pick any one. Then locate the CSV file you just created. So I'm going to choose files, the TXT file. So as you can see, this is it right here. So I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Then it's going to load up onto the website. So as you can see, it has loaded up. All you have to do now is click on convert. Then it's going to show uploading here. iBlack test list.txt uploading. So just give it some time to finish processing, then you're going to have your output. So as you can see, it says conversion completed. Just click the download button. Then it's going to download your finished converted file. That's downloaded it. As you can see, this is it right here. So if you click on this file now, it's going to open a CSV file in Excel. As you can see right here, it's loading up. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So just lists out the emails, one on each line. But now these emails, we need to get the names of this person, this person, this person, this person, this person. And I'm going to show you how to do that using a tool I developed using PHP. I created a plugin and the plugin is listed on my website. So to do that, let's go back to our Google, our list. It takes us to the next step, where you have to name your email list. All you have to do is visit investorblog.com/email-namer, and it's going to take you to this page on my website. Okay, I made this tool myself. So what you want to do next is click on choose file, then locate the CSV file you just downloaded recently. Go to your downloads, then select the CSV file, iBlack test list, click on open. So click on upload. Now what's going to happen is that it's going to automatically go through and fish out the names of these emails. Okay, as you can see, it has downloaded. So if I open, this is the previous one, this is the new one just now. If I click on it now, it's going to open the CSV file, another CSV file. This is the former CSV file. It's going to open another one. We are going to see the difference between the previous one and this one. So this new one now has name and email. This person's name is Acha, this person's name is Adani, this person's name is Apply, and the rest. So basically what it does is that it goes through the email and searches for what looks like a name and uses it as the person's name. Okay, it's quite simple. So that's basically what you have to do. So that's how to do it. People are paying a shit ton of money for this skill, and if you can master this skill, I promise you, you're going to be able to make money easily on Fiverr and Upwork. As you can see, these people are making a killing and the competition is quite low. If you're not new to Upwork, you understand what I mean by the competition is like outstandingly low. Look at it, 840 results. It means that a lot of people are not doing this, and you can take advantage of this right now by creating a gig like this and applying this to your gig. So that's basically how to go about it, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if you're joining in for the first time, I make videos around making money online. I learn a lot of stuff during the week, and when I find something that actually works, I come here and I share them with you, my YouTube family. So that's basically what I do right here. If that is something you like, do well to hang around, because more updates will be coming up soon. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.